Rainfall, no vegetation or very little vegetation, very little rainfall, along with no kind of life. But in that desert also people reside, people survive, they live their lives along with their professions. Fine. So this chapter is all about deserts. In chapter 5 we have seen that water means life to plants, animals and people. It is difficult for anyone to live in places where there is no water to drink, where there is no grass for the cattle to feed on, and where there is no water to help the crops to grow. We will learn about the places in the world where people have learned to cope with extreme harsh temperatures, in some places as hot as fire and some as cold as ice. These are the desert areas of the world. These are characterized by low rainfall, scanty vegetation and extreme temperatures. Depending on the temperatures, there can be hot deserts or cold deserts. The people inhabit these lands wherever little water is available to practice agriculture. तो हमारा जो डायमेंशन है इस चैप्टर को पढ़ने का, हमें ये इंडिया के रिस्पेक्ट में नहीं देखना है, अभी हमें वर्ल्ड के रिस्पेक्ट में देखना है. बच्चों, जो डेजर्ट होता है इट हैज टू काइंड्स. ठीक है, वन इज हॉट डेजर्ट, अदर वन इज कोल्ड डेजर्ट. यानी एक डेजर्ट ऐसा होता है जहां बहुत ज्यादा गर्म होता है और एक होता है जहां बहुत ठंड होती है. पानी का आपको पता है स्कार्सिटी है, लेकिन जितना पानी मिल जाता है उतने में भी लोग एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और अपने लिए काम भर का अनाज उगा लेते हैं. फाइन. सो आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज द हॉट डेजर्ट विच इज सहारा. लुक एट द पिक्चर ऑफ द सहारा डेजर्ट. Look at the map of the world and the continent of Africa. Locate the Sahara Desert covering a large part of North Africa. It is the world's largest desert. Mark it. दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रेगिस्तान है Sahara Desert. It has an area of around 8.54 million square kilometer. Do you recall that India has an area of 3.2 million square kilometer? यानी जो अपना पूरा देश है उससे भी ये बहुत ज्यादा है. The Sahara Desert touches 11 countries. बच्चों, take a highlighter along with you and just highlight these places. These are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. यानी जो सहारा डेजर्ट है इसके साथ जो कंट्रीज लगी हुई हैं ये सब उनके नाम हैं. इनको मार्क करिए एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. When you think of a desert, the picture that immediately comes to your mind is that of sand. But besides the vast stretches of sand that Sahara Desert is covered with, there are also gravel plains and elevated plateaus with bare rocky surface. These rocky surfaces may be more than 2500 meter high at some places. तो जो पिक्चर आप देख रहे हैं उसमें आपको सिर्फ सैंड नहीं दिख रहा, उसमें आपको जमीनें भी दिख रही हैं. यानी प्लेन जमीन दिख रही है और जो सामने एलिवेटेड स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहे हैं दे आर द प्लेट्यूज. प्लेट्यूज आपको पता है ना, प्लेन से ऊपर होते हैं. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे स्ट्रक्चर देखने को मिलते हैं ओनली इन द पिक्चर ऑफ अ डेजर्ट. नाउ दिस इज द मैप ऑफ अफ्रीका. जो कंट्रीज अभी आपने देखी, सहारा डेजर्ट का एरिया देखिए, इसको ध्यान से देखिए. उसके आसपास की जो कंट्रीज हैं विच आर टचिंग द lines with desert, and the line which is crossing through this is Tropic of Cancer. Kindly notice the map properly. बात समझ में आ गया? साइड में देखिए डू यू नो का सेक्शन. You will be surprised to know that present day Sahara once used to be a lush green plain. Cave paintings in Sahara Desert show that there used to be rivers with crocodiles, elephants, lions, giraffes, ostriches, sheep, cattle and goats were common animals. But the change in climate has changed it to a very hot and dry region. यानी एक जमाने में ये जो सहारा डेजर्ट था यहाँ पे हरियाली हुआ करती थी, बहुत सारे जानवर पाए जाते थे, है ना. लेकिन change in climate like as global warming or ozone depletion, so many things we have done to the environment and the environment has affected the natural landforms also. Got it? तो अभी भी हमारा काम है अपने एनवायरमेंट को हीट अप ना करना, और वो हीट अप कैसे नहीं होगा, जितना आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस को मिनिमम यूज करेंगे उतना ज्यादा आप बच के पाएंगे. अदरवाइज एनी ग्रीन एरिया कैन बी कन्वर्ट इनटू दिस काइंड ऑफ लैंडफॉर्म. Let us see the climate of this area. The climate of the Sahara Desert is scorching hot and parched dry. It has a short rainy season. The sky is cloudless and clear. Here the moisture evaporates faster than it accumulates. Days are unbelievably hot. The temperatures during the day may soar as high as 50 degrees Celsius, heating up the sand and the bare rocks, which in turn radiates heat, making everything around hot. The night may be freezing cold with temperatures nearing 0 degrees. तो यानी जिसको आप गर्म समझते हैं यहाँ पे उससे भी ज्यादा गर्मी है. 50 degrees Celsius is something like we start burning in 33 and 35 degree in our summers. So 50 degrees is something very high. And you all know because the sand becomes cooler also very quickly, so the nights must be so freezing. It drops down towards 0 degrees as well. Do you know section देखिए, Al Ajizia in the Sahara Desert south of Tripoli, Libya recorded the highest temperature of 57.7 degree in 1922. So can you imagine you will be surviving into 57.7 degree? We will be static, leaving our skins. So that was the maximum temperature till now. Next is flora and fauna. Vegetation in the Sahara Desert includes cactus, date, palms and acacia. In some places there are oases, green islands with date palms surrounding them. Oasis के बारे में आपने क्लास 5 में भी पढ़ा था, यानी एक पूरे रेगिस्तान में जहां पे भी आपको पानी और थोड़ा सा ग्रीनरी दिखे, that is called as oasis, and the plural is called oases, oases. Camels, hyenas, jackals, foxes, scorpions, many varieties of snakes and lizards are the prominent animal species living there. ये आपका हो गया फ्लोरा एंड फौना. ये है ओएसिस की एक पिक्चर आपके साथ जो मैंने शेयर की है. फाइन. So that's it for today. I'll not continue the chapter.